Does your shoulder pop, click, or grind? I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, owner of Comeback Performance, and in this video I'm going to go over why your shoulder's popping and 4 exercises to help fix it. How do I know this will help? Because we've helped thousands with our one-on-one online coaching program eliminate shoulder pain and get their lives back. There can be a few different reasons why your shoulder pops, clicks, or grinds. One reason could be from tendons or ligaments rolling over in the shoulder. Another reason could be a buildup of nitrogen gas, similar to if you're going to go and pop your knuckles, low back, or neck. But if you're having that popping pain in the shoulder and it's also accompanied by pain, I like to use this analogy. Picture a train on the tracks. When everything's moving as it should, the train is staying in the center. If things are not working to their best ability, the train's going to go a little bit off track and bump into the sides. Think of the same thing happening with our shoulder. If everything is not working as a team or something's out of whack, the shoulder's going to pop and click either because it's running into different structures or it's not moving efficiently. Now that we've talked about why your shoulder could be popping, let's talk about 4 exercises to help fix it. These exercises are designed to free up the shoulder by improving mobility and then following it up with strength and stability. Basically keeping your train on the right tracks. First exercise is one of my favorites and it's called a bench opener. You're gonna grab a bench or a chair and you're gonna kneel down in front of it. You're also gonna grab a broomstick or PVC pipe. Once you're kneeling in front of the bench, you're gonna place your elbows on the bench. You're gonna have your palms up holding the PVC pipe. From there, you're gonna drop your butt back and allow your chest to come to the ground. You should feel a pulling in your lat on the side, the big muscle there, or you might feel some opening up in the thoracic spine between the shoulder blades. Both are very good signs that you can use this exercise to help. By opening up these 2 areas, you unlock a ton of shoulder mobility instantly. Focus on going to the point in the stretch that feels good, but do not go into pain. If you're having pain, simply kiss it. Basically work right up to the point where you feel it and back off. The more you do exercises like this, the more that the mobility is going to improve and that pain is going to decrease and allow you to get into further ranges. Complete 15 reps of this exercise. The next exercise is called a wall slide. You're going to find a wall. You can place one foot in front of the other if you desire, but it's not going to make too big of a difference. From there, you're going to place your hands on the wall. While your hands are on the wall, you're going to slide your arms up and you're going to lean your chest forward. Do not force the motion, but you should feel these shoulder blades on your upper back moving up and around, clearing the space for the shoulder. You can allow the chest to come forward at the top of the motion to increase your mobility. Do 2 sets of 12 of this exercise. The third exercise is called a Cuban Press. You can grab a light set of weights. I typically use 2.5s or 5s, or you can just use body weight with this exercise. Bring your elbows to 90 degrees and have your elbows bent. From there, you're going to rotate your shoulders back into external rotation and then press overhead. Once you're at the top of the motion, you're going to reverse it. You're going to bring your arms down and then move them into the original position. This exercise works on control of the shoulder and also preps the shoulder for any overhead motions or activities. Do 2 sets of 12 of this exercise. The last exercise is working on strength, stability, and endurance of the shoulder and is called a Medball ABC. You're going to go to the wall and you're going to grab a med ball. In the video, I'm using a 10-pound ball, but if you don't have a ball, you can also just use your hand and go for longer sets. You're going to place the ball on the wall right in front of your chest level and keep your elbow and shoulder extended. From there, with your hand on the ball, you're going to spell out the ABCs. You're going to make sure that you spell out each letter nice and slow and controlled, and I like to use capital letters. If you want to make it harder, you can do uppercase and lowercase. The goal is to make it through the entire alphabet without taking a break. This is going to burn the shoulder, but in a good way. Complete 2 sets of the ABCs of this exercise. If you have to take breaks, that is totally fine, but try to keep the breaks consistent and the letter number consistent as well. Those 4 exercises are going to help the shoulder a ton and eliminate popping, clicking, and grinding. The bench opener will help open up the shoulder and give it more breathing room so it's not so compressed and clicking. The wall slides will help improve shoulder and shoulder blade mobility, opening up the space and reducing popping in the shoulder. The Cuban presses work on mobility and strength of the shoulder and improving positioning for overhead lifts. Medball ABCs provide stability and also endurance to the shoulder. Once we've worked on all the mobility, this exercise is designed to control that ball on the shoulder so it's not just running into other objects. Although these exercises are great at reducing that popping, clicking, and grinding in the shoulder, If you're having shoulder pain, the job is not done. The first step in eliminating shoulder pain is figuring out what the root cause of the shoulder pain is in the first place. Once the root cause is established and we know the boxes that we need to check, we can build a game plan for you to eliminate this shoulder pain now and also prevent it from coming back in the future and giving you your life back. If you're tired of this shoulder pain and you've done physical therapy, chiropractic, PRP, stem cells, cortisone, or anything else, and you're ready to take that first step, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach to eliminate your shoulder pain, prevent it from coming back, and give you that active lifestyle that you deserve. Do this right now so you don't miss the opportunity to get your life back and to be done with this shoulder pain. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're trying to put out as much shoulder content as we possibly can and provide as much value to the world. Shoulder pain is not normal. At Comeback Performance, our mission is simple. We're trying to help 1 million people around the world eliminate shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, or surgeries, and get their lives back. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.